Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Microsoft, Mr. Softy. This is ticker MSFT. Now, Microsoft is consolidating just under 500 here on the chart after a pretty nice move following its earnings report in April. Gapped, held the gap, and just chugged up this daily 8 exponential period moving average. Now, the last couple of sessions here, it hasn't actually done too much. It's just kind of gone sideways. But you can see how the other day it tried to get above 500, and ever since then, retraced and has been unable to get back above. So I think 500 is a pretty key level here on Microsoft, and I would have an alert just around 500 and look for a move through and a close above coming on volume. Now, that could signal a resumption of this uptrend. Now, it might not happen right away as long as the market continues to churn and go sideways. Microsoft's probably not going to break out, but I think it makes sense to have an alert for a breakout here on Mr. Softy, and then there's your trigger to buy this stock. So that's just one of many things we're looking at tonight at StockMarketMentor.com. Lots of setups are currently developing in the market, and I want to make sure you see them. So join us at Stock Market Mentor. Click that link, take a trial, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.